Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make vegetable biryani. For this I'm taking 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of chili powder and salt, 5 cinnamon, 5 cloves and 3 cardamom, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 onion roughly chopped, 2 tomatoes roughly chopped, 1 cup of vegetables and 1 cup of green peas. Soak basmati rice in water for 45 minutes and take some mint leaves. In a cooker I'm heating oil. Add the whole spices and let it crackle. Add the onions and cook it till they become golden brown. Now the onions are cooked. Add the ginger garlic paste. Cook the ginger garlic paste till the rawness goes off. Now add the chopped vegetables and the green peas. Mix it well. Add the chopped tomatoes. I'm adding the chili powder and salt and allowing the tomatoes and the vegetables to cook partially. Once they are cooked, I'm adding the mint leaves. Make sure the vegetables are cooked halfway because when we add rice, they're gonna cook fully. For 1 cup of rice, I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. So I'm adding the water now and let it boil. When the water starts to boil, I'm adding the rice. Let the rice absorb the water. I am cooking it in an open pan. I'm not pressure cooking it now. I'm allowing the rice to absorb the water. Now you can see almost all the water is absorbed. Mix it. And then close it with a lid. Allow it to cook on low flame for 8 minutes and then rest for 5 minutes. Your vegetable biryani is now ready. You can see that the rice is all separate and it looks fantastic. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.